Hi students, good morning to all of you. Last period we have done the revision of numbers 1 to 9. Now let's begin with the new topic, that is less more. Less more. Children, less means what? Less objects which are less in number. Objects which are less in number. Less means come. And more means more in number. More means ज़्यादा. Objects which are more in number. Now I will explain you this with one example, by showing you one example on the blackboard. Okay. Now children, here flowers I am drawing. 1, now here I have drawn the flowers. Okay. Both side flowers I have drawn. This is group A and this is group B. Now group A flowers, how many flowers are there? We will count. 1, 2. How many flowers we got? 2 flowers. Okay. Now group B flowers we will count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Group A flowers 2 and group B flowers 4. Okay. Now children, look at both the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Which number is less in number? Less means come. Objects also you can see, and you can see the number also. Which is less in number? Group A or group B flowers? Group A flowers. Okay. By counting, after counting these flowers, we got only number 2. Group A. And group B, after counting, we got number 4. So group A flowers are less. Okay. And group B flowers are more. Group B flowers are more. Okay. Now children, this will be better understood when we are pairing them. Pairing means we are joining one of them. Okay. Let's see. Now this I showed you by counting the objects. Now we will pair the flowers. Flowers we will pair it. First flower we'll take and we will pair with group B 1 flower. Second flower we will take and we will pair with the group B 1 flower. Now 1 flower, group A 1 flower, group B 1 flower, group A 1 flower, group B 1 flower. This pair, 2 pairs we got here. Now here additional flowers you can see, additional which are extra here. 1 and 2 flowers are extra. So after pairing, what we come to know that group B flowers are more. Group B flowers are more. Group A, any extra flower you can see here? No. Okay. So group B flowers we can see 2 extra flowers, means group B flowers are more and group A flowers are less. Okay children. Now we will go to our maths textbook. Okay. So you will understand more clearly. Children, this is our textbook page number 24. Textbook page number 24. Okay. Let's see here. Now here some children are there. Okay. We will count the children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many in number? 5. And here 1, 2. How many in number? 2. Okay. So by counting the children, we come to know that which children are more and which children are less. Now here the question is asked, color the box under picture having more children. Having more children. Now which children are more here? These children are more. 5 children. Yes? So you have to color this box. Understood? Next here. Now your boats are there. 1, 2, 3 boats. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boats. Yes? Color the box below the picture having less boats. Less boats means which are less? Come. These are less boats. So you have to color this box. Now birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 birds. Here 6 birds are there. And here 1, 2, 3. How many? 3 birds. Color the box below the picture having more birds. More birds means ज़्यादा. So which number is more? 6. Okay. So you have to color this box. Okay. I hope children, by looking at these examples, okay, by counting the objects, you come to know which is more and which is less. Okay children. Now I will explain you something by reading the notes for you. Less means the objects which are less in number is less. Okay. More means the objects which are more in number is more. Here less means कम and more is ज़्यादा. Less or more can be identified more easily when it is paired. On the blackboard I showed you. Less or more can be identified more easily when it is paired. Paired means we are making a pair of two objects. Pair of two objects like this. So we come to know which are less and which are more. Paired means 1-to-1 pairing of objects. 1-to-1 pairing means one flower to one flower. We paired here one flower to one flower. Next one flower to one flower. Okay, that is called pairing of objects. Pairing helps to decide more or less. Pairing helps to decide more or less. So, while pairing, we come to know more clearly which objects are more and which are less. Now, let's go to the textbook again and we will see here how to pair 1-to-1. 1-to-1 pairing. 1-to-1 pairing. Let us pair the boards in group A and group B. Group A and group B. Now here group A is there and group B. Boards are there. 1, 2, 3 boards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here also what they have done? They have paired the boards. Board paired. One board paired here, second here and third board here. Okay. Now you can see that this all 3 boards are paired with these 3 boards here with group B. And in the group B, 3 boards are extra remained here. Okay. Yes. See here. By joining one board in group A with one board in group B, we observe that the boards in group A are over. Okay, one boat we joined here, second boat also we joined here, third boat also we joined here. So what you observed that group A boats are over. Okay, after joining one boat. Some boats in group B remain. Some boats in group B remain. How many boats in group B remain? 3 boats remain. It means that boats in group B are more. Okay, if the boats are remained here, बाकी रहते हैं. बाकी means ज़्यादा रहते हैं. Yes, that group B boats are more. Now here what they have done? This is the pairing. This is the pairing of boats. So after pairing, we come to know that which group boats are more and which group boats are less. Pairing helps to decide more or less. Pairing helps to decide more or less. Same, this example is given here. I showed on the blackboard of flower. Same, here boat example is given. Okay. Now next example we are going to solve here. Pair the boats in group A and group B and observe. Now we are going to pair here one boat with group B. Okay. Now let's start with the first boat. One boat join here. Okay. Second boat join here. Third boat join. Then fourth will start. Fourth boat join here. Fifth boat join here. Sixth boat join here. Seventh boat join here. Eighth boat join here. Ninth boat join here. Okay. Now we have paired here 1-to-1 boat. Group A 1 boat, group B 1 boat. Like this. Now in group A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 boats. Okay. And in group B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total how many? 10 boats are here. How many? 10 boats. So after pairing, this one boat is remaining. This one boat is remaining. 9 boats group A. We paired with the group B 9 boats. Okay. So one boat is remained here. So after pairing these boats, what we observed that group B boats are more and group A boats are less. Okay. Group B boats are more and group A boats are less. The boats in which group are over? Which group boats are over? Group A boats are over. Group A boats are over. Color the box under the group which has less boats. Now over means what? Which group boats are over means they are less. Okay. And which group boats are remain? That are more. So which group boats are over here? That is less. So you have to color this box. Understood, children? Yes? Okay. Now let us understand. When the number of boats is large, it is easier to use the pairing to know which group is bigger. Understood? Now, children, we will do some exercise of less and more. Write L for less objects and M for more objects. L for less and M for more. Okay. Now here how many biscuits? We'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here 1, 2, 3. So while after counting we got here 6 biscuits and here 3 biscuits. So tell which biscuits are less from here. 6 or 3 biscuits are less. Which are less? 3. Yes? Less in number, na? So we will write here L. We will write here L. And here 6 biscuits means more biscuits. So write here M. Okay? Question number 2A. Draw more objects than the given ones. Now here how many stars are there? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. More objects means what? More objects you must draw beyond 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So more than 3 you must draw. More than 3 you must draw here. So more than 3, how many more stars we drawn here? 1, 2, 3 stars more you have drawn here. Okay. Now your next question. Draw less objects than the given ones. Less objects than the given ones. Now here we have to count the ice creams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ice creams are there. And now what the question is asked? To draw the less objects. So less than 8. Less than 8 you must draw. So any number you can draw. You draw 4 ice creams. Okay? 4 ice creams you can draw. Not more than. More it is not told. What they have told? Less. Okay, less in number. So 4 ice creams. Now children, we will do one more example in the book of pairing. Okay, which I showed you on the blackboard of flowers only. Same we will do it in the book, so you will understand more. Now, your group A and group B. Okay, now this we are going to do by pairing it. One flower, group A one flower with group B one flower. Group A one flower, group B one flower. We are pairing. Group A one flower, group B one flower. Group A one flower with group B one flower. Okay children? Yes. Now we have paired. Okay. So after pairing, what we come to know here? Which box flowers are over after pairing? Group A flowers are over after pairing. Means what? Group A less flowers. And group B flowers, 2 flowers are remained. 2 flowers are remained. Means more. So this group B flowers are more flowers. Okay. Less flowers, more flowers. Understood? So this is by pairing the flowers. If we are counting the flowers, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6. Okay. So by counting also we come to know that 4 is less than 6. 4 is less than 6. And 6 is more than 4. 6 flowers are more than 4 flowers. Okay. So by counting also we come to know which group flowers are less and which group flowers are more. Okay. And by pairing also we come to know which group flowers are less and which group flowers are more. Understood children? I hope you all have understood this topic. Okay. We will be doing revision. Okay. Afterwards, for better understanding, I hope you all are practicing numbers 1 to 9. Practice in your rough book. Fine. Thank you very much.